Welcome, English friends. I'm Devin, and I create calm English practices to support your learning. Today, we will talk about 3 very common prepositions of time: in, on, at. These small words help us talk about when something happens. Let's keep it simple. Ready? Let's go. We use at for a specific time. For example, I wake up at 7. My meeting starts at 3. We eat dinner at 6:30. Remember, at equals exact time. We use on for days and dates. For example, I have class on Monday. She visits her parents on the weekend. My birthday is on October 6th. Remember, on equals days and dates. We use in for months, years, seasons, and parts of the day. For example, I went to Guatemala in 2024. The weather is cold in winter. I study English in the afternoon. Remember, in equals longer periods of time. Let's review. We use at for exact times. We use on for days and dates. We use in for months, years, seasons, and parts of the day. These are longer periods of time. Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. I study English on Mondays. I feel hopeful in the morning. Remember, friends, practice makes English feel natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. Good job. See you tomorrow.